Hello there, my name is Pasquale and I'm bringing you this emergency Bitcoin update. And yes, guys and girls, it's not looking that very good. So there are some of the things to pay attention to, and I'm gonna show you also what did I do with my long trade. And this is gonna be a very quick update. So please hit that like button. Let's smash it up to at least 2,000 likes on this video. And our community is growing, the channel is growing, and I'm super thankful for each single like, for each single comment. Make some noise down in the comments. And if you don't want to comment or like, that's okay. Just please enjoy this awesome content. And this video is super important because right now Bitcoin is at a turning point and it's getting very, very shaky. But I still have a long trade in there and a bigger one than before. So, okay, like the video, comment down below, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and let's just jump right into it. Okay, so right now let's start with the big thing, and the big thing is the weekly chart. So EMA ribbon, all the bunch of moving averages that has been very important previously, and we had a lot of resistance from the EMA ribbon right here. We finally broke above, just like we've seen this before in this area right here, and historically as well. However, it seems to be a fake out, just like we had in this area and in this instance as well, with this capitulation because of this Black Swan event that we had in 2020. We all know what it was. So, and in this instance, the same kind of situation. So a big question, guys and girls, is whether Bitcoin is going down, whether it's gonna actually break this support that we've had. And again, we are again in the bearish zone in the weekly as well, and this super bearish close in the weekly chart, unfortunately. And we're currently stopped by this resistance, by this support right here, which has been historically very, very strong in this super short-term perspective. And then, of course, the next target on our way is going to be $35,000, which is this also in the weekly chart, which is our last resort kind of, together with the $30,000 price area. So this is the moment of truth for Bitcoin. However, in a short-term perspective, if we go to a daily chart, and let's turn off the EMA ribbon, then we're going to see this support that I mentioned in a previous video, that if we're gonna see a rejection from it, actually a bounce off of it, which we're seeing currently, and if we're gonna go to a smaller time frame, then I'm gonna actually scale my trade. And this, again, not financial advice, this is super dangerous, and again, this is kind of a false break trade, but I did scale it up to $200,000. And the logic here is very simple, just as I explained in the previous video, and please check out my previous video if you haven't seen it. And as always, if you want to be trading actively, then with my link down in the description of this video, you can open an account with Bybit, deposit money into it, and get up to $4,100 in free bonuses on top of your initial deposit, and extra bonuses on top of it as well. So it is absolutely incredible, and also a 30% discount on commissions and a 30% discount on withdrawal fees, which is simply huge. And also with my link, there is a detailed instruction of how to actually claim that bonus, because a lot of people are actually confused. So going down in the description of the video or into the pinned comment, find the link and check out the instruction and follow all the steps to claim that incredible bonus. So right now, yeah, I mean, it is what it is for now. It's just that I'm super positive that we could see this bounce turn into a bigger bounce, so to speak, and then actually go back up and retest this area of 44,700 and 45,700. But again, I'm gonna keep a close eye on it, and if it's gonna go like really fast downward, then I actually would consider shorting Bitcoin as well. So which you can also do on Bybit as well with my link with that incredible bonus. And it doesn't matter if you want to be longing, shorting. Remember that you can make money either way, from longing or shorting the market. So in this instance, guys and girls, this is the moment of truth, because to be honest, I mean, I don't really care that much about these active trades. They're nice here and there. As you might remember from my previous active trade, I've made $33,000. We've taken it from here down to up to here, and this move here, we made like $33,000. And a lot of you guys and girls made some money together with me as well. So if this one turns out to be a bad one, we're going to lose a few $1,000s. It's going to be absolutely fine, because we always let our winners run most of the time. So, but again, we're gonna see this kind of a strong bounce going upward, or actually another squeeze and going downward, or actually breaking it below today, which could also happen because, well, again, this is Bitcoin and it's very volatile, and a lot of times it does what people don't expect it to do. So just, if you're gonna join me on this trade and scale it up to, as I scaled it up to $200,000 right here, then just be very careful, use proper RM, and if it's it's gonna break down real hard with a lot of volume and volatility, then please don't hope that it's gonna suddenly turn around. Just always cut your losses. And if you wanna join tomsqualo.com, my certified and accredited trading learning program, you're welcome to do so. And the Easter egg hunt is still on, baby. So enjoy those up to 80% discount on my trading education. All the links down in the description of the video as well. And as always, please stay smart, stay rich. Make some noise down in the comments for Mr. Spot On, because I did tell you that we might see a big bounce off of $40,000, which we did. We're currently seeing this bounce. The only question really is whether we're going to continue going upward, or this is going to be just eating up this positivity right here, a tiny positivity, and is going to actually break below, which is going to just suck. Then our next target is going to be, as I said, $35,000. So yes, stay smart, stay rich, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.